everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I got here. I got this. It's a little 3-bar LED under cabinet lighting kit, and I'm going to show you guys what this thing looks like. It's made by BLACK+DECKER, so it's a brand it's familiar with, and it can light up the cabinets like that. So let's just check this thing out and see what it looks like. It's a tool-free install, so it should be pretty easy to go. Comes with everything for it. So let's open this up and see what it looks like without box is empty. And this is what it comes with in here. I'm gonna open it up here. I guess this is alignment stuff, so you can align it. So you have this little piece of cardboard. We've got some instructions here. We don't need no instructions. So let's look at it here. And then this is what it looks like here. So it comes packed really nice. So it's got these 3 little bars here that are probably 8 or 9 inches. Let's see, it comes with the plug. Wire. Oh. Got the little, I guess this is going to be the switch, for the on-off switch, and the 3-way plug. So that's where it gets the power, and then it goes out to the bars through there. So that's kind of cool. And then, let's see what we've got. Here is the plug. So this is the plug that's going to go to the power. So let me plug this in. We're going to give this thing a shot. And then we'll go to, I don't know, let me undo the wire here. Get it closer to you. Sorry, I'm just opening up the wire. There we go. So here's the wire. It'll go into our little thing here. And then it comes with a bunch of these little wires here that go from here into the light strip. So I guess it plugs in. Sorry, I'm a little blind. It goes in this way. And then into here. And there it is. So see, check it out. So you can kind of push the button and it'll do off and on. And then I guess this button here, turn it off for good. Oh, so the timer off and on. So you have 3 different settings, and you can turn it on by the button here, or I guess by this here. So it's pretty cool. And I see there's like the little sensor thing here, so it does some stuff too. So pretty cool. So I haven't really read through it all, but it'll give you that ability. And it looks like you can connect them individually like this, or you can connect them in series, or connect them all to the main unit. So let's see. It's hard with it on to look inside of it. It's just so bright. But I can connect this one here and then connect it up to here. See? And now I've got 2 in series, or I can connect them to the unit here. So pretty cool. As I touch the unit, it goes off. But super cool. So I like this. I'm going to say this is really neat. And they are connected together. So this one button controls everything beyond it. So cool. So this is the BLACK+DECKER 3-bar lighting under cabinet light. So that's it. So cool. Thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.